This lesson will show you journal for opening entries. Sometime on the question you see asset liabilities given, a list. So from there you need to prepare journal. So this seems complicated to many of you sometimes. So here for your better understanding, I've taken a question from IGCSE accounting past paper. So this is the journal format. Here we'll write the date, details means debit and credit accounts. Here we will write debit balance means amount, and here credit amounts. Okay. So before we write up here, let us have a look at the question. Shakir started trading in the year ended 31st August 2023 but did not keep proper books of account. His assets and liabilities at 1st September 2023 are as follows. So here we see motor vehicle inventory, cash in hand, trade payables, Latif and Harrison. Okay. So we have many things here. We have asset, current asset, non-current asset. We have some liabilities means trade payables. Okay. So from this list of balances, now we will make a journal entry. Okay. Here on the question it is mentioned, prepare the journal for Shakir's opening entries at 1st September 2023. A narrative is not required. Okay. So these are opening balances. He started business on 1st September. Okay. The ending will be 31st August 2024. Okay. So 1st September he has balances. Here we see assets and liabilities. So assets are always debit accounts. Yeah. So asset will be here debited and liabilities will be credited. Okay. Then later we will figure out capital. Okay. We know accounting equation, assets equal to capital plus liability. Using this formula we will figure out our capital here. Okay. So first of all we will write the date. So he started business on 1st September 2023. So we will write here 23 September 1st. Okay. So first of all we will write the assets. These are debit accounts. Okay, will be debited here. So we have here motor vehicles. So let us write here motor vehicles. Okay. So here on the question motor vehicle is $9,500. Then here we have inventory. Okay, inventory is also an asset. So here inventory will be also debited. So here on the debit column we will write the amount $1,400 or $240. Okay. Then here we have bank. Yeah, on the question bank balance is also an asset. It is a current asset. Yeah. So asset will be here debited. So let us write here bank. So it is $1,682. Okay. Then we have some liabilities. Here we have trade payables. Yeah. Liabilities are credit. This will be here credited. Okay. So what liabilities we have here? We have Latif, a trade payable. We have Harrison, another trade payable. Okay. So these are will be credited here. So let us write here Latif. So it is a credit account. We will write this amount on the credit column. So here on the question we have $200. Then another trade payable, it is Harrison. So let us write here Harrison, HARRISON. So the amount is $237. Okay. In accounting equation, debit amount will be equal to credit amounts. Okay. So here we see that some difference. Here debit amount is not equal to the credit amount. Okay. So now we will find out the difference and we will write this difference as a capital. Okay. So here totals of this debit amounts is 12,422. Okay. and the totals of the credit column is 437. Okay, so now what is the accounting equation? We know asset equal to capital plus liability, right? So here we can write like this: capital equal to asset minus liability. Okay, same thing. So here we will now calculate capital. We have here assets. It is 12,422. So here we'll write 12,422. We have here liability. It is $437. So let us minus it here. 437. So now if we minus this amount 437 liability from the assets, we get our capital. It is $11,985. Okay, so here now we will record this amount as a capital. So let us write here, capital is always credit account. Okay, so it is a normal credit account. So let us write here capital. So here we calculated 11,985. Okay, so now if we sum up this column and credit column, we get same 12,422 on the debit column and same on the credit column. Okay, so finished. So this is how you need to make a journal for opening entries. If you see this type of question on your exam, I hope next time you will answer correctly.